Hello there, it's me Ataur Rahman from Tech72. Today I will show you how to set custom logo and custom kits for Brazil in DLS 22. Let's get started. To change the custom logo and custom kit, I need to click on here. First, I will edit logo. So click on here. This is the default logo. Click on custom logo. I need the logo file URL. I have just uploaded before in linkpicture.com. I will put all files link in the description. If you need the text file, then please feel free to comment here or knock in our Facebook page. Here is our all required files link. So I will copy the Brazil logo link, then go back to DLS. Now I will paste the link here, which I have just copied before. Confirm. Image successfully downloaded. Okay, here you can see the Brazil team logo. It's looking gorgeous. Now I will change the home kit. First, make sure that the jersey number is in black color, but I need to change this jersey number and jersey name in green because the home team jersey is yellow and the jersey number and the name is on the green color. I changed this. Okay, short number color. Okay, yellow, it's fine. Click on save. Click on custom kit. Now I will copy the home kit URL from the text file. Go back to the text file and copy this link. Go back to DLS 22. Paste the URL here. Confirm. Image successfully downloaded. So this is the home kit for Brazil. It's looking nice. Now I will change the away kit. This is same process. This is third jersey for Brazil. I have customized this. It's looking nice. So it's unchanged. I delete this. Then I will custom the goalkeeper kit. The similar process, copy the link and paste. So these all are Brazil kits in DLS 22. Here you can see the team logo for Brazil. Now we will play a match. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you everyone.
Truly brilliant goal. Good Dorsey.